Hello friends, JBM everyone. Friends, I came for respond on the one incident was came under the light from the Dudi Venkatapuram village, Rajpet police station limits. There from one Taddy Tupper, one farm water collector. He was died on the spot and he was collecting the tap warm water. The time he unexpectedly he was uh, felt down and he was died on the spot. Friends, that one is a very sad news to everyone. That is why I am first of all expressing my regret and I am sending my condolence to bereaved family members. Friends, his name Gudisela Sri Ramulu, the 48 years old man. He lost his life at a young age. Really I am sad about his death. Friends, that is why I came and I am responding. I am sending the message about his death. Who was died. He is a Gowda brother. Their professional work, that one. They only depending on that work, the collecting of the white water, farm water. Their family members, they last the their family elder. He had one daughter and one son. His family member became orphans. That is why first of all I am demanding to the government of Telangana, who is the excise and prohibition minister. He is a the Revant Reddy should be give the support them, and first of all go there. There he was died the Dudi Venkatapuram village, and first of all conjole them and give the support and give the some ex gratia to their family members from the CM relief fund. Minimum the 10 lakh rupees should be give them, and how they are for the existing their life. How they exist their life without sense of their family elder. They lost their father, who are the children. That is why government should be support them. And should be government, when the campaigning time, government also given the one promise, but right now they still know the student stood on their promise what they are given. What they were given means they, when the election campaigning time, the government right now, which is the ruling government, they were given what we would come on the power. We would brought the one special policy for the white water collectors, who are the Gowda brothers. Such like they given the promise, but they hadn't fulfill that promise. That is why government should be give the special policy, should be brought the special policy for them, for the relief, and for the respond on their issues. you know we are lost the one by one, such like who are the uh, white water farm water collectors. That is why won't repeat for, won't last the such life for, should be support them and should be give the which are uh, the updated, which are the they needed the equipments, for the climbing the tree. Last week I found one where, who is the white water farm water collector. He was arranged the one ladder to the palm tree. Such like support should be give the everyone from the government. This is my demand to the government. Everywhere, which are the neighbor countries, which are the well developed countries, they are giving the support and they are giving the the which are uh, which are the needed, they giving the support them. But this our India, the not give the any support and not give the any amenities, any specialties to who are the needed people. This is very sad. That is why should be support them and should be give the ex gratia 10 lakh rupees. This is my demand. Thank you. Jai Bhim.